2007 Honda Pilot, really alarming oil consumption. Welcome to Star Auto. Today we have a 2007 Honda Pilot with a 3.5-liter VTEC engine. Customers complaining that it's burning about a liter of oil in just a couple, I think he said like 500 kilometers. So really alarming oil consumption. We've pulled out the spark plugs on all 6 cylinders, put a camera down in there. On the rear bank, everything seems to be okay, but on the front bank of cylinders, there is really bad scuffing on the cylinder walls, and that tells us that there's damage to the pistons and rings as well. So we will rebuild this engine, because all of these engines are on the market, like the used engines, are very high kilometer and are likely to have issues as well. Plus, the price for those engines is quite substantial also. So let's get right into it. So now the engine is back in. We filled in all the fluids, antifreeze, oil, trans fluid, power steering, everything is in. So let's try and start it up. Now that's a beautiful sound. That's a good sounding engine. Now we're gonna take it for a good long test drive. I'll take it home tonight. I live about 75 kilometers out of Edmonton. So this is going to be a 150-kilometer drive there and back. We'll bring it back, assess everything, look everything over, and if everything looks good, we'll give it back to the customer.